Hey up everyone, it's that time of year again. Rice cutting time. This one ain't ready here, but this land here is Mimi's mum, and this bloke here, he owns all the harvesting machines and the trucks. He cuts our rice every year, and this land is what Mimi's sister, twin sister, bought last year. I think it's the first time they're harvesting it. Don't look that good really. A lot of grass in there, but we'll see. You can see it's quite yellow really, so it is more or less worth cutting now. A lot of people are cutting early because of the floods, etc. But anyway, our house is just over there. That's me chicken turkey farm. Got the old rice drying out there. Started off really sunny this morning, but clouded over a bit. Might get some rain tomorrow evening. Hopefully that'll be the last of it. Just wait for this harvester to come back. Took Mimi on a cycle ride today, about 12 kilometres. The route I used to walk before I got back on my bike. She did okay. Moaning from the start, but after about 2 or 3 k's, she stopped moaning and plodded on with it. I like watching the birds that follow behind. It's a bit like that in England. There you go. Here comes Mimi! Walks a long way around, makes me laugh. Looks like a right farmer. How are your legs feeling after your bike ride? Oh. Yeah, because you don't try hard enough, that's why.
No, that's not enough for me, you know that.
Why your rice not look good? A lot of grass, you know. Looks like it to me. Looks good. Not like that one. That's good. Anyway, I'm gonna steal like they do mine. Only joking. Let's get a head-on shot. Loads of water in there, and after they've cut the rice, Mimi's mum will be in there hunting for fish. She'll make her own homemade bara, fish sauce. Badek, they call it in Isan. Staple diet, eat with rice. They're like bread and jam in English, but jam's not as smelly. I'm not sure what you call those blackbirds. You've got swallows going around, obviously picking off insects as they find them. Those blackbirds, they're bloody evil things they are. See them just rip frogs apart, like 2 or 3 birds. They'll get a frog and just rip it a bit. Nature at its cruelest. Oi, Mimi's dad turned up. He's got his Let's Go Brandon's on. Let's go, Brandon! On, Mimi's dad wants to show off. Alright! I know where she gets it from. Is this the last bit? I think so. I'll beep his horn after this, I think. Means it's finished. Let's see. Transfer everything from a hopper into the pickup truck. How many rides? 1 ride? 3 rides? 3 rides there. Still loving my CF Moto ATV. Been a great machine. Love it. Like, is that all you're getting? Maybe a ton, not sure. Not sure where it's taking it to. I don't know why they don't dry it here, but there you go. Or maybe they are. Well, it's going somewhere. Oh, it's maybe where the Takrai court is. I think he's going to load up. Around the back of the truck. these tracks, but not a lot came out really, so. You see he's wearing safety boots, no problem. Quick operation, they don't mess about. Front end's getting a bit light, look. Wheels are off the ground. Oh, he's going back a bit. No problem. Sorted. Poleo, come forward a bit. Straighten up a little bit. And here comes another one. Who's nicking my quad bike? What are you doing? You got my coat there? Got my bear.
Sit down.
Sit where?
Sit here.
Nang lung như này, over there.